Hey guys, today I have a special video about meme coins because we're not talking about buying, selling, and trading. We are talking about sniping meme coin projects as early as possible before everyone else, and of course, trying to catch these big printers. But before that, I need to remind you as a financial advisor, this video is not a financial advice. I don't recommend buying any crypto tokens, and the tools I'm showing you today are not guaranteeing you profits. So as I mentioned, today we are talking about meme coin projects, and I will show you how to actually snipe these projects using the latest and greatest AI tools and AI bots. For this reason, we are using the new version of SolSniper. You can find the link in the description. I actually had been using this bot for a long time, but good news for everyone, they actually made a big upgrade. That's why I'm doing this video, because we have new AI features, new engine, it's now faster. And of course, with crypto, with meme coins, with all technological things, if you're early, if you have the right tools first, you have advantage against other traders, because of course, meme coins are PvP, player versus player or trader versus trader, and the person with the best tools, with the best information gets the edge and usually makes the profits. So let's jump into SolSniper, the link again in the description. First of all, let's talk about what it offers, and later when I jump into actual bot, I will show you how I use it and I will show you some of the results. So you can see the tagline, it's an AI meme coin trading bot. As I mentioned, it has lots of AI features which make your life easier because the AI finds the tokens. Also, they have AI safety features, and on that you can see we have few versions. So the first one is the legacy sniper, which is an older version, but now we have this advanced sniper. And actually you can see what they're offering. So first of all, they have zero wallet connection, which is really important for safety and security because you don't have to connect your wallet when you're creating an account for this bot. All you have to do is just put in your email and you're ready to go, because it will automatically create a wallet for you, which again is really great for safety and security of your personal funds. Next up, of course, it offers real-time sniping. It scans the markets, finds the projects you like, and snipes them as early as possible, giving you opportunity to purchase the token at the bottom prices, basically at the start, same as developer. Next up, they have filters for safety and security. Again, it's really important. There's thousands of tokens of launching, and I would say 90% of these tokens are malicious. And of course, for this reason, we have AI filters, we have safety filters, and with these filters, we have a better chance of buying legit tokens. Next up, they offer auto slippage. So basically, AI finds the best slippage percentage to actually purchase these tokens and beat everyone else. And also, they support multiple dexes. I will show you all the different options, pump.fun, pump swap, and all the other ones. So without wasting anybody's time, let's jump in straight to the bot. Once you sign up, you can see you will get this window. It's really easy to use. If you're using for the first time, I will show you. Again, it's a beginner-friendly platform. So once you sign up, you will get your wallet right here. As I mentioned, you don't have to connect your wallet. And if you want to start using SolSniper and start sniping meme coins, of course, you need to add Solana. To do that, you can copy this address, which was created by SolSniper bot, and add Solana to it. So for this example, I just sent 0.3 Solana. I will show you how it all looks from the clean window. So basically, this is what you get when you get started. So you get your Solana. Also, if you want to withdraw, just click withdraw, and you can withdraw to your centralized, decentralized, or phantom wallet. After that, we have to set up our sniper to actually let it know what do you want to snipe. So first of all, we have settings, and we also have premium settings. I will start from settings because this bot is actually free to use. All these things you get for free, and also they have advanced premium settings right here. So basically, I would recommend you to actually test it out for free. If you like it, if you're profitable, then you can actually purchase the premium plan, which actually costs right now. So for the simple premium is $80, premium AI is $120, and premium lifetime is $1,000 for a lifetime. So basically, if you're making money, this is not really a big amount, but again, you can start using this bot for free. So let's start with the free settings, and it's really, really simple. So under all of these words, you can find this question mark. If you click on it, you can actually get information what this setting means. So first of all, the amount. So basically, right here you can set up the amount you want to snipe each token. So right now we have 0.3 Solana. So let's go 0.01 just to show you more tokens being sniped. After that, you have to set up take profit and stop loss percentage. Take profit means at what percentage in profit you want to sell position and take the the profit. And the stop loss means when the token is dumping, where you're having loss, at what time do you want to cut the losses, and of course stop the loss and go to the next meme coin. Next up, we have timeout and we have seconds. This means when you buy the token, and for example, nothing is happening, the token is just standing, no one's buying, no one's selling, the bot will automatically sell the token in 1 minute and transition your funds to the next sniping opportunity. Basically, it will not let your money just lay there doing nothing. Again, a really smart setting. And we have safety settings. So first of all, immutable metadata. Again, if you don't know what it means, you can click on the question mark to get the answer. Mint authority renounced and freeze authority renounced. So if you're completely new, these settings are not that bad and you can actually start running the bot. The only thing is you need to check out the market, because depending on the market, if the market is really bullish, the tokens can pump like really crazy and you can actually up the take profit. If the market is cold and tokens are not really performing well, you can actually lower the take profit. And the same goes for the stop loss. You can actually move it depending on the market or on your risk tolerance. Again, if you're running it for the first time, you're gonna see all the logs, all the transactions, and you will see what kind of tokens are performing. And from this information, you can actually tweak your settings. I will run the bot later. Next up, we have premium settings. So if you have a premium plan, you get more features and more AI features. So first of all, we have some more safety features. So first of all, you can set a percentage of top 10 holders. For example, how much of the supply the top 10 holders are holding. So you can see for the default, we have 30% of the supply is held by the top 10 holders. And actually, it's really important for the new sniping tokens, because if the developers launch the token, if it's a really new token, there's not going to be that many holders and the developer will hold a big portion. So you don't want to go super low, because otherwise you cannot really snipe these early tokens. Higher, maybe even 50 if you want to really snipe early tokens. Again, not a financial advice. Don't copy these settings because it will not guarantee you profit. Because this is a bot where you input your parameters and AI follows it. Basically, again, depending on the token. Please, guys, don't think this is some kind of magic. Next up, bundled. Again, you can set up what percentage is bundled. Again, 20% maybe is okay. Next up, max same block. Again, you can click right here. So up to how many buys occurred in the same block. Basically, if the token is bundled, if there are people buying in the same block, it's not a good sign. That's why you can put in the number. And lastly, safety check period. Again, you can click right here and learn all this information. But if you don't want to do, or if you're a complete beginner, you can also click this button, which will have AI filter. And you can actually select your risk tolerance. So for example, you can go gambling, balance, safe, or ultra safe. Also, depending on your settings, there's gonna be amount of tokens. For example, if you go for the ultra safe, there might not be that many tokens launching that are in these parameters, because again, meme coins are pretty shady still. So if you select ultra safe, you might wait for a long time for the bot to actually find the token to buy it. So if you're going super safe, it will take some time for the sniper to actually find these tokens. So if you want the sniper to actually snipe more tokens, which is of course more risky, you can go balanced or lower. So for this example, let's go balanced, and also you can choose different dexes. So we have pump swap, let's select it. We have radium, we have meteora, let's click on it, and also pump.fun graduates. I will not go for the pump.fun graduates because from what I've seen in the past half a year, once the token graduate, we have this sharp dump sometimes. So it's like 50-50. It's kind of like a gamble. So once you have all these settings, let's go for the balance. Let's go for these settings. You are ready to run the bot. So to do that, just click activate the bot, and the bot is now scanning the market, looking for the tokens that fit your settings. Again, really simple setup, and now all we have to do is just to wait and see what SolSniper is gonna snipe for us. And again, guys, if you're using SolSniper, use my link in the description because it helps my channel, and also you get some kind of discount usually. So now I'm gonna cut the camera and come back in 10-20 minutes to show you some of the results of what SolSniper managed to snipe. And we have some first results. So let's jump in. You can see all the logs, how the bot is looking, and also you can see what we bought and what we sold. And actually, if you click on the deck screener, you can actually see when you bought it and when you sold it. So the first token, let's see what happened. Okay, we bought for 85 and we sold for 85. So nothing really happened. Let's go for the second one. Let's maybe open third one and also fourth one. So let's check out all of them. So we bought Nope. So let's see again, nothing happened. Then we have XLB. So XLB we bought for 86 cents and then sold for $1.23. So actually we managed to make profit on this one. And then we had Pumpin. So let's jump into Pumpin. We bought actually really great in the beginning for 86 cents and sold for $1.13. So actually not bad because the token has no liquidity right now. So actually it sold at a really great time. But again, I had really risky preset for this video. And lastly, you can actually deactivate bot when you're ready to quit. But again, guys, you can see how the bot works. You need to remember, guys, it will all depend on your settings. If you're going ultra risky, of course, you're risking more. If you're going ultra safe, there's going to be less tokens. But again, guys, you need to remember with meme coins, with bots, it's never guaranteed profits. The bot is just following your parameters. So guys, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. And of course, subscribe for more videos like this.